Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show, Inspire, Inculcate and Innovate, Episode 39, Poetry. Dear Mother Earth, I am sorry. Mother Earth gave us everything. She gave us what's necessary for birth, nourishment, and it even gave us death to free us from this world. She gave us everything without asking. She was so patient and gave herself to build us. But we forget that we are nothing without her. We wounded her and suffered her, and she still withstood the pain but never showed her anger that easily. She loves us unconditionally, and we loved her conditionally, and we are very fortunate to get such love which is pure. Be thankful for such love. Dear Mother Earth, I am sorry. I am sorry on behalf of every human being on this planet. I am sorry for the pain and suffering we caused. I am sorry for the destruction we did for you, for our comforts. I am sorry for our greedy nature that exploited you. I am sorry for the fake love we showed upon you to use you, but you still loved us unconditionally. I am sorry for the foolishness of whole mankind. I am sorry for the disturbance we caused in the name of human development. I am sorry for the evolvement that happened against you. I am sorry for poisoning you. We filled you with chemicals, poisonous substances, and several other harmful substances. I am sorry for converting the beautiful you to very ugly. We filled the land with garbage everywhere. I am sorry for destroying greenery that rejuvenated you every day. I am sorry for polluting the liquids that flow in you. I am sorry for polluting the fresh air that you breathe and you gave us to breathe and which helped us survive. I am sorry for killing your children in the name of ownership and superiority of human. I am sorry for the disability we caused you. I am sorry for the ignorance of mankind that brought you to this death stage. I am sorry for the harm we caused even though you helped us in everyday life. I am sorry for the wounds we caused that never gets healed. I am sorry for the enormous pain that suffered you so much. I am sorry for the human selfishness that made you lose hope. I am sorry for piercing your heart and for making it bleed. We drank the blood of you like hungry demons, forgetting that we are human. I am sorry for forgetting the morals and values and the humanity you taught us to live happily. I am sorry for not taking care of you even though you took great care of us all the time. I am sorry for the struggles we created for you. I am sorry for the unhappiness that we spread around you. I am sorry for killing the friends that you gave us with enormous love. I am sorry for not being grateful for what you did for us. Saying sorry doesn't change anything that we caused you. We feel guilty and sorry, but we never changed. We kept exploiting you for our use. We used you completely. We never loved you back. We never cared for you. We never felt that you are important. You were treated really unwell by mankind. You still gave us everything. You never stopped loving us. You never stopped caring for us. You never stopped helping us. You treated us greatly. You gave us a splendid life. You nourished us every day. You never stopped showing kindness over us. Even though we acted so cruelly, still we didn't change. Since birth you are with us. You helped us in growth. You even dissolved us in you when we are dead. Your love for every organism on this earth is so pure and unconditional. You are really amazing, but I'm sorry, we never changed. We think that you are foolish as you are still helping us, but your love tells that we are foolish as we kept destroying what is making us survive. We may not know our foolishness now, but soon your absence makes us feel and suffer. We will regret our lives for what we did. This regret is permanent and very painful, and that's the best punishment we get for our deeds. Dear Mother Earth, I am extremely sorry again. If you love this episode, share it with your friends, family and loved ones. And if you want upcoming updates from this podcast, subscribe to this podcast and let's make the wisdom and inspiration go viral by spreading it. Until then, see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.